So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. She starts off with blonde hair. Looks like she's going to be doing her eyebrows as well. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning lavender shade. So then we see someone who is thinking of cutting their hair. And then finally, she decides to mix it up with a pixie haircut. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of hair color and haircut transformations. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new style, this channel is for you. If you feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you will stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone getting their hair colored. The stylist proceeds to cut the hair into a bob haircut. Her hair looks so healthy and has an amazing sheen on it. I really like how the stylist is doing the cutting. It's definitely giving her a major amount of volume. Bangs in the front to help frame out the face. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning bob makeover. And then we see someone with orange, neon orange reddish hair. It looks like she decided to take it back to her natural color and get a bob haircut as well. Gorgeous. This bob also features quite a bit of volume in it as well. There is the before and there is the after. Quite a dramatic transformation with that one. Next up, we see someone who's older. They have about neck length or so hair. So it looks like the stylist is just touching up the color and doing the roots with this one. Giving her a bit of a touch up with the cut. Once again, this stylist really knows how to make a volumized bob. This is absolutely gorgeous, the way that he is cutting the hair. Creating a lot of volume there in the crown. Very nice, absolutely stunning. And the color looks beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you want to see even more hot hair trends, you can check out this video next.